South Korea's finance minister says the country's current account surplus may narrow for a while due to the deteriorating trade balance caused by rising energy prices and slowing global demand. Also, with the $1 exchange rate hitting 13-year highs, the government says it will closely monitor and take measures to try and stabilize local financial markets should they need it. Eum Ji-young with the details.
South Korea's trade balance may worsen even further in the coming months. Finance Minister Choo Kyung-ho said on Monday during a meeting of top economic and finance officials that the current account balance is expected to show volatility for a while.
Due to the recent rise in energy prices and slowing global demand from China and other economies, the trade balance is weakening. With this, the current account surplus may contract for a while.
In August, the country recorded its biggest monthly trade deficit in history. The balance of trade last month was in the red by over $9.4 billion, the most since the trade data was first compiled in 1956. It's also the first time in 14 years that there's been a deficit for 5 months in a row. The finance minister said external factors are the cause of the weakening Korean won against the US dollar.
The US dollar is reaching 20-year highs. With this, currencies of major economies are all showing a sharp weakening, and we are no exception. Especially in August, the $1 exchange rate soared amid the worsening trade balance on top of the weakening of the Chinese currency.
The South Korean won fell last week to its lowest level against the greenback in more than 13 years, closing at around the 1361 mark as rising interest rates in the U.S. further strengthened the dollar. Choo said the government will closely monitor the foreign exchange supply in real time and take preemptive action if necessary to stabilize the local financial market. Also, the government will push to win contracts to build infrastructure abroad and strengthen export competitiveness to improve the trade balance. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.